Many-to-many relationships in Power BI allow multiple connections between tables, making complex data modeling possible. However, they can introduce ambiguity, which means careful management is crucial. Think of it like a multi-way intersection. You need the right signals to avoid confusion. Let's explore why this is important. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. A many-to-many relationship means that multiple records in one table link to multiple records in another. It's like a networking event, lots of connections happening. This structure boosts data integrity and allows for more flexible reporting. So let's break down where and how it works best. These relationships appear everywhere, from sales tracking across different regions to students juggling multiple courses. Even social media thrives on many-to-many connections. Ever tagged multiple friends in a post? That's exactly how these relationships work in Power BI. Linking two-dimension tables is like building a family tree. It helps track hierarchies and relationships. But careful filtering is necessary, or you might get unwanted duplicates. Let's see how Power BI handles this efficiently. Connecting two fact tables enables deeper analysis across different datasets, like linking sales transactions with inventory records. But hold on, this can get tricky with aggregation. Let's find out how to manage it properly. Ever tried mixing fine-grained spices with chunky vegetables? Managing different data granularities can be just as challenging. It's all about avoiding mismatches while maintaining performance. Let's explore how Power BI tackles this. Bridging tables serve as middlemen, resolving many-to-many conflicts neatly. Think of them as translators between two different languages. They ensure cleaner relationships, but too many can slow things down. Let's look at the best practices. A factless fact table might sound strange. It stores relationships without measurable values. But it's super useful for tracking event occurrences, like student attendance or customer interactions. Let's see how this improves reporting accuracy. Bidirectional relationships are powerful but tricky. Allowing data flow both ways sounds great, but it can cause unintended filtering. It's like a highway with traffic moving in both directions. Let's see when and how to use them wisely. Unidirectional relationships are more controlled. They prevent unwanted data from flowing back. Think of them as one-way streets, keeping everything in order. That's why they are the go-to choice for most scenarios. Ambiguity in relationships. A recipe for disaster. First, we need crystal clear definitions to avoid confusion. Using consistent language helps everyone stay on the same page. A structured approach ensures communication is smooth. Think of it as setting ground rules. And just like checking your GPS mid-journey, periodically reviewing expectations keeps everything on track. A performance is key. Nobody likes a slow system. Optimizing processes ensures everything runs smoothly. Simplifying complexity is like decluttering your workspace. It makes things more manageable. Tracking metrics helps spot trouble before it escalates. And lastly, finding the right balance in resource usage prevents bottlenecks. Think of it as tuning an engine for maximum speed. Modeling isn't just about drawing boxes and lines, it's about clarity. Standard approaches help maintain consistency across projects. Keeping data integrity intact prevents nasty surprises down the road. Documenting assumptions ensures others can follow your logic. Think of it as leaving breadcrumbs. And testing. That's your reality check to confirm everything works as expected. Theory is great, but real-world examples bring it to life. Case studies show what works and what doesn't. Learning from mistakes is priceless. Nobody enjoys repeating errors. Different industries offer fresh perspectives on applications and relatable scenarios. They make complex ideas much easier to grasp. Because let's face it, we learn best through stories. Every approach has limitations, no silver bullets here. Recognizing constraints helps set realistic expectations. Spotting risks early is like noticing storm clouds before a downpour. Strategies can mitigate problems before they snowball. And flexibility, that's your secret weapon in handling evolving needs. Because rigid systems break, but adaptable ones thrive. Want lightning-fast queries? Let's optimize. Indexing speeds up data retrieval. Think of it as using bookmarks. Unnecessary computations are like junk food, cut them out. Structuring queries effectively ensures they run smoothly. And monitoring performance. That's like checking your speedometer to avoid slowdowns. Because who wants to wait forever for results? Troubleshooting isn't just about trial and error, it's detective work. Finding the root cause is like solving a mystery. Using systematic debugging keeps you from chasing wild guesses. Diagnostic tools are your magnifying glass, use them wisely. And documenting findings. That's like leaving behind clues for future investigators. Sherlock Holmes would approve. Wrapping up, we've covered essential principles, explored best practices, and dived into troubleshooting. What matters most? Actionable recommendations. Keep refining strategies, stay adaptable, and never stop improving. The journey doesn't end here, it's a continuous cycle of learning and optimization. Now let's take these insights and put them into action. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.